Hi, I'm David Mickey with MarineMax. Today we're on board a 2024 68 Azimut that we recently took in on trade. Longtime Azimut customer owned this boat and ordered it with several options, and like to show you around. We're on the aft cockpit here of the 68, and this boat's got some great options to it. You'll notice the teak floors, solid surface countertop for the table. We've got a sunshade here on the aft area that's controlled by the remote. We also have a rear docking station, bow thruster control as well, and side entry boarding gate. As we enter the salon through the sliding glass door here, we've got a opening window here for entertainment, which will be easy access to the refrigerator, wine cooler, microwave stove, and ice maker. This is the optional aft galley, which kind of brings in the outdoor, the indoor, all in this level. The table here on the starboard side, opens up and allows seating for 8 people. As we move forward into the salon, 55-inch flat screen TV on the starboard side, which electric goes up and down. Privacy for the captain. Blinds on either side. Surround system as well. As we enter the lower helm station, you'll notice a couple features. Twin Garmin displays, variable speed bow thruster, Volvo joystick, and the helm seat is electric. Also, we have an opening door that accesses the starboard side of the vessel. All right, let's head down to the staterooms. Here we are in the master stateroom of the 68. You'll notice it's a full beam master, large windows with opening portholes on either side, flat screen TV, which is electrically controlled as well. We have nice storage right here, the mirror, and also a safe. The head is behind this sliding door, and it separates between the toilet and the shower. Thanks for your time looking aboard this 68 Azimut. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 239-872-7503. Have a great day.